Hey everybody, welcome to Ravenel Ford videos. We do appreciate your time with us today. We're going to be looking at the 2013 Ford F-350. This one's a crew cab. This white one right here in front of us. This is a Mac Daddy big boy truck, okay? Let me tell you that much right now. As you can see, the size of it, it's pretty large. Also, this truck has a platinum package on it, so we're talking about some beautiful styling. And the technology on the truck is inside with Microsoft Sync. You know, there's a whole buttload of stuff on this truck, folks. If you're looking for a truck that's going to get the job done, this is it right here. Look at those wheels. Wow, you're talking about 20-inch alloy wheels, Michelin tires. Look at the suspension back there. Man, this thing looks like it's going to do what you got to get it to do. Let me tell you now, this one does have the 6.7-liter Power Stroke B20 turbo diesel. You're going to get that inside of this truck. You're also going to get mirrors that extend out for a fifth wheel in the back so you can see exactly what's going on. Now, yes, we do like to talk about some of the features that the truck has on it, but one of the most important parts of buying a vehicle is the price. And Ravenel Ford has a unique pricing structure that they do that's unlike any other Ford dealership in the country that I've noticed. So we're going to go ahead and talk about that a little bit. So when you're looking at a truck on the lot, a lot of people come right here to this window sticker and take a look. And as you can see, 36 years of the Ford's F-Series truck is actually America's best-selling trucks. The market retail on this truck, MSRP, is $66,895. So that's that price for you there. I'm going to show you today how that price is going to drop down tremendously, and you're going to be like, wow. Also, you want to pay attention to right in here in this box. This is optional equipment. We're not going to go down the whole list of the equipment, but you can visit and see it on our website at ravenelford.com. Here we go. The discount sticker. This orange sticker right here is a breakdown of the price. Makes life a little simpler for the customer. There's the price again, the market retail. Factory invoice. We sell them for $98 over invoice is $62,141. So there's that price dropping down. Less the rebate of $2,000 incentive money. You're getting that. Sale price, $60,141. If you finance with Ford Motor Credit, there's $1,000 you can save with that as well. Number 4 on here, closing or dock fees. We don't have closing or dock fees at Ravenel Ford. You may be wondering, what is a closing or dock fee? Well, if you've bought a vehicle before, at the end there, when you're sitting down with a sales guy, he's going to add on some kind of dealer admin fee. It's an unnecessary fee that dealerships charge. We don't have them at Ravenel Ford. Platinum package, wow, look at the back of this truck. The front looks good, the back looks good. Man, you know right here, when someone's driving this truck right here, this is money, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Backup sensors in the back. Tow package, looks like this thing could get a yacht out on the highway, okay? Also a backup camera right there. Okay, you can see exactly what's going on when you back the truck up. You got a little screen on the inside that's going to show you that camera view. Spray and bed liner, you got the places right there to hook up the fifth wheel. A back window that opens and closes. You may be thinking to yourself, why do I need a back window that opens and closes? Well, if you're like me and you got some lab dogs and you're going out on the highway for today or going out in the country and enjoying yourself, why don't you throw that dog a bone? Or maybe you just want to throw your soda pop can back there, okay? It doesn't matter what you do, you got a back window that opens and closes. Platinum, yeah, baby. You're going to notice things like chrome door handles. Right there, running boards on the bottom to step up into this big truck. Door opens up nice and smoothly. Does have a remote start. You can hit twice here and crank the truck up. Look at the inside, even from the door panel, the fit and finish with the leather, the wood trim, power windows, power door locks, memory seats, power mirrors. Wow, this is nice. Look at those interior seats, the amaretto leather interior. You can get it in a truck, wow. Power seats, power lumbar support, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, audio functions on there for you. There is a ton of features in this truck. It's got a sunroof up top. It's hard to see with that dark headliner, but there's a sunroof there. Home link also to hook up garage door openers. Display screen, you got a huge screen there. It does navigation, backup cameras. It's like an onboard computer inside this truck. CD player. Auxiliaries right there for lighting and whatever you need to do. We got a brake gain and a four-wheel drive, and got a 110 volt, 150 watt right over there. That's like a home setup where you can plug in a phone charger or whatever it may be. Maybe you want to hook up your laptop in here while you're driving down the road and do some business. I wouldn't suggest you being on the laptop while driving, but maybe have your coworker there. Size, 4-door size. Plenty of room, plenty of headroom. I always like to say Shaquille O'Neal could probably sit in the back of a Ford truck and be comfortable, and that's probably the truth. So you seeing it today firsthand from Chad right here at Ravenel Ford. Come on down and visit us. We're in Ravenel, South Carolina. We're 15 minutes outside of Charleston, South Carolina. It's a good time to buy a truck. Come on down and see us. We're Ford tough.